This video shows how to use the Screenshot Reader in Read&Write for Google Chrome to read images or inaccessible text. The first time you use Screenshot Reader, if it hasn't been pushed out by your admin, you'll be prompted to install it. Once installed, just refresh your tab to get started. Click the Screenshot Reader icon and then drag a box around the text you'd like to read.
Thrust can be produced by an engine piston or turbine spinning a propeller or a turbine jet engine expelling hot gas.
You can use the pause, stop, and play buttons to control the readback. You can even copy the scanned text to your clipboard to paste into a document or other tab. It works on Google Docs, Word Docs, Google Slides, websites, and more.
Sea level pressure composite mean, MB, October 1st.
To learn more about Read and Write, visit texthelp.com.